Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto E22i and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the Settings app and then tap to Network and Internet. To activate Wi-Fi, we should click to the switcher. If you want to turn it off, you should click to the switcher by the same way. After that, you will see here, after the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you will see here all of the available networks which you could use. Just select one from the networks and enter the password. If you want to see the password, you should click here to the Show Password checkbox. After that, just tap to connect and wait a couple of seconds. So now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you could use another one, just one more network, enter the password, connect to them, and after that you could switch between these networks, for example, when you'll get the slow internet connection. Also, yet one more way how we could connect our device to Wi-Fi. So first you should open the control panel and here you'll see internet icon. Just tap on it and here, or just not tap, just hold it for a while and you will launch the full Wi-Fi settings. If you want to just tap on it, you'll launch the settings and you could also click here to see more and to launch full Wi-Fi settings to just enter the to select the network, enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.